Okay, in this first short lecture, we're just going to go over what the goal is for this entire section. And I've opened up the database you should have downloaded for section 1. And I'm looking at the tables. There's just one table. I'll double click on it to open it. It's the customers table, 9,800 records. These are just random jumble of names and addresses and things like that all smashed together. So we could use that with our class. And the only thing we're going to do, if I close this and go to forms, we have two forms here, customer list and customer list done. We're going to change the default behavior of this continuous form. And I mentioned this in the overview. If you press the right arrow and the left arrow, it just goes across the one record. But if you press the down arrow, it works like the right arrow, and the up arrow works like the left arrow. And the end key goes to the last field, and the home key goes to the beginning, the first field. What we want to do is to change these keys so that they work like the record navigator down here, where we can go to the very last record. So we'd assign the end key to do that. We'd assign the home key to go to the first record, the down arrow to go down a record, and then the up arrow go up a record at a time. And if we click on the close button and open this one, you'll see that that's what it does here. I'm pressing the down arrow, up arrow, end key goes to the last, and the home key goes to the beginning. So all of the subroutine coding is in this form that you'll be building in this first class. The real point of the class is that it introduces you into subroutines and error handling and just a lot of different concepts. So on to the next lecture.